Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to introduce you to the Duramax line of generators. A portable generator is the perfect way to get the power you need when and where you need it. From protecting your family during a power outage to taking power on the road camping in your RV. The Duramax generators are there for you. Built to last, all Duramax generators feature a rugged frame constructed of heavy-duty steel. The heart of this power plant is the dependable Duramax overhead valve engine. It's designed to be extremely easy for anyone to start. Just a turn of the key or a quick pull of the Easy Start recoil gets it going. With its 4-gallon fuel capacity, this environmentally minded EPA and CARB-approved unit will run a full 8 to 12 hours on a single tank of gas. The unique exhaust design, coupled with the frame dampening, allows it to run at a comfortable 69 decibels. That's enough to hold a conversation next to it without raising your voice, and it's suitable for campgrounds and public parks. Another added feature is its low oil protection system, which will automatically shut the generator off to protect it from any damage should it run low on oil. The XP4400E's full-featured power panel was designed to offer the perfect balance of power and functionality. It includes two fully protected 120-volt, 20-amp standard household outlets to supply power to all your appliances, including televisions, refrigerators, microwaves, fans, and more. It also features a powerful 30-amp, 120, 240-volt twist lock outlet for instant command of high-powered tools, including saws, air compressors, and a host of other devices, as well as RV power needs. Natural disasters aren't the only use for a portable generator. Taking a portable generator on the road with your RV or camper ensures that you'll have enough electricity to power your AC, television, and other creature comforts in your home away from home. Overloads are never a problem with its dual 15-amp circuit breaker. On a side note, it's a good idea to start your generator for a few minutes, maybe once a month or so, to keep the starter battery charged. One feature exclusive to Duramax generators is the Power Boost amp doubling switch. It's a high-amp RV equipment switch that harnesses the full power of your generator by combining two 120-volt circuits into one powerhouse 120, 240-volt outlet to provide you with the added power for challenging loads, such as heavy-duty power tools and equipment, power backup transfer panels, or your RV's demanding power needs. A generator can also provide some necessary creature comforts during a prolonged power outage, including heat, lights, food preservation, and more. During a natural disaster, keeping your family safe is a top priority. With a Duramax generator, we have you covered. Professionals who are concerned with quality rely on Duramax for outstanding performance, reliability, and durability. No job site should be without one.
For the outdoorsman, there's nothing better than Champion power equipment. Generators, inverters, winches, water pumps, log splitters. Anything you need to give you an extra hand, provide some reliable power, or get you out of a jam in a moment's notice. Champion generators are perfect for taking on trips or giving you peace of mind with home standby backup power. Our winches give you all the pulling power you need. And our water pumps and log splitters are the reliable tools you need to get the job done. The Champion Power Equipment family of products. Power, dependability, and peace of mind.
Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm here today to introduce you to the DuraStar 4000-watt portable gas-powered generator. From protecting your family during a power outage to taking power on the road camping or powering your RV, all DuraStar generators are there for you. It's designed to be extremely easy for anyone to start. Just a pull of the easy recoil will give you a quick, reliable start every time. With its 4-gallon fuel capacity, this environmentally friendly EPA and CARB-approved generator will run a full 8 to 12 hours on a single tank of gas. The full-featured power panel has been designed to offer the perfect balance of power and functionality with its engine shutoff switch, voltmeter, circuit breaker, and power outlets. It includes two fully protected 120-volt 20-amp and one 120-volt twist lock outlet to supply power to all of your appliances, including sub pumps, refrigerators, air conditioners, microwaves, and more. The DS4000S comes with the option to add a portable wheel and handle kit for a small extra cost. The no-flat semi-solid tires ride like air tires but will last for years longer. With Durostar generators, we have you covered. On the job site, a Durostar generator is indispensable. The DS4000S generator gives you the ability to power tools and lights even in the most remote location. All Durostar generators are packaged in a rugged box with foam padding to guarantee a safe arrival. Durostar generators will last you for years and are always covered by a 1-year factory warranty. The Durostar line of generators includes models to power a wide range of uses. From our 4,000 watt generator to our top of the line 10,000 watt powerhouse, Durostar generators are built to last. Rugged, durable, dependable. Power when you need it.